Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a grid maker for Instagram. A grid maker is a fantastic tool that transforms a single large image into several smaller, perfectly aligned squares. This allows you to create a visually stunning and cohesive profile feed, making your Instagram stand out. We will cover everything from selecting your content to posting your impressive new grid. Before diving into the app, selecting the right content is crucial. Opt for a high-resolution image that will maintain its quality when split into multiple pieces. Think about your Instagram's overall theme. Does this image fit? A strong focal point in your chosen picture will also ensure each individual square remains interesting, even on its own. Now let's get to the creation process. First, download a reliable Grid Maker app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it and upload the large image you've chosen. Next, select your preferred grid layout. A 3x3 grid is a popular choice, creating 9 distinct squares. The app will then automatically slice your image into these individual numbered pieces, ready for saving. The final step is posting your masterpiece to Instagram. It's vital to upload the individual grid pieces in reverse numerical order, starting with the last square and ending with the first. This ensures your large image reassembles perfectly on your profile. For a consistently stunning feed, consider using a scheduling tool to plan your posts, keeping your Instagram looking professional and engaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.